Hey there, welcome back to Step Up. So today we are going to be putting on some door trims. As you can see here, I have this already cut piece. I'm just gonna line it up, and you just want to make sure it's where it's supposed to be. And I'm gonna put my pencil mark like right here. This is the part that I'm gonna cut. Okay, so after getting your mark, you're going to take it outside and give it a 45-degree angle cut. Make sure to put your tools on the 45. Okay, and here we go. So this is where you want to make the cut. All right, perfect. Now I'm going to take it back inside, and so the next thing you want to do is that you want to set it up and make sure everything lines up where you want it to be. Okay, and you're just gonna hold it like very steady, and you can just put your nails. Okay, you do want to make sure that you're hitting the stud. Okay, not just the drywall. So next you want to move on to the side trims, and as you can see, you can use a measuring tape. You can also just eyeball it, but I like using a measuring tape just to be sure. As you can see here, I'm gonna cut it slightly longer than what I need. Okay, I'm just gonna do the 45-degree angle cut, and remember which side you're cutting, because that's the most important thing, because you want to make sure that the thinner sides are the sides that are gonna face each other. Okay, so after cutting it slightly longer, you can see it's longer than what I need. I'm gonna just flip it over, so you can see the 45-degree angle there, flush is there. I'm just gonna flip it over this way and put a pencil mark at the top. Okay, just like that. Okay, so you want to cut off all the pencil mark. You don't want to leave even like a tiny little bit. No, you want to cut it all off. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, here we go. Put your pencil mark, and that's where you're gonna cut it off. Okay, like I said, make sure to cut off all the pencil mark. Okay, now after cutting it, you can see now everything just fits perfectly. And after that, all you need to do is just to hold it steady and line it up where you want it to be. Okay, and put your nails. Okay, and you go get yourself some cold water, because you did it. Okay, I can do it, you can do it, everybody can do it. You just save yourself $1,000 if you have the tools. If you don't have the tools, then not so much. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, like, share, comment. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.